Hello everyone, and welcome to my official spring 2022 update on my 2018 Audi S6. This is the most sinister car that I have, and I'm really excited because I just got it back from my local Audi mechanic, who is within walking distance, funny enough, of the Audi dealership. So it just had an oil change. It had its last Audi Care oil change done. This car has 42,000 miles on it. And I had the DSG transmission service done because I'm at the point where I don't trust a dealership as far as I can throw them. So it's still the same price in this car as it is for a Volkswagen GTI, so it's like 500 bucks. I'm more than happy to pay that for the peace of mind that my mechanic did it. I'm sure the Audi dealer did it too, but you know, I'm paranoid. It would cost me like $12,000 if the transmission went out on this thing, so I'm all about preventative maintenance. So other than that, it also needed 2 exhaust clamps replaced. Now, the person who had this before me, I assumed used it all the time, and they were like in Massachusetts. I don't know if we're gonna be able to find them under here, but it's like, shit, I don't know. There they are, these right here. Okay, the dealership wanted $280 to replace those. My mechanic did it for $61. He only works on Audis. He does a great job. So thank you, Pete, for that if you're watching. So yeah, 60 bucks instead of 280. And the dealership, now I brought it to the dealership because I just needed these tires put on. These are the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, because I got a bolt in one of them. I only brought it to the dealer because they can put low profile tires on, no problem. But of course they had to give you all these freaking quotes for stuff. And like, well, if we were inspecting it, we would fail it. You need $1,180 worth of rear brake work. I'm like, yeah, okay, sure. Just kidding. Oh look, here's the new Vermont inspection sticker, which is down here. No, it did not need $1,200 worth of brake work to pass. They also suggested one time when I brought the S3 in that I needed a $58 washer nozzle adjustment. I'm not making this stuff up. So yeah, out of warranty. Don't go to the dealer unless you have to. So that's all it needed. The tires put on. I did the transmission service again, and the oil. But I did let them change the oil. You know, I've only put 2,000 miles on this car in a year and a half, so I don't drive it that much. But the next oil change I'll switch it over to Liqui Moly, which is really, really good oil. But I just washed the thing, vacuumed it out. It's looking really good. This is a horrible shot. I am not a professional. Let's just look around the exterior a little bit. This is Mythos Black Metallic. It's the exact same color as the S3, which is currently at Pete's, getting an oil change and a transmission service and an inspection. So yeah, gorgeous car. It has the, you know, the performance package with the sport diff, red brake calipers, sports exhaust, black tip, and dynamic steering, which I can take it or leave it. But yeah, it's actually clean. And soon it will be going back in the garage where the Q5 is. And we'll start it up. I'll show you inside real quick too. But just getting some exterior shots here. I just think this car is desperately gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. I read something funny online, and it was, what the hell was it? Oh, it was all new Audis look like old Audis that haven't been ironed properly, which I find to be very true. Here's the inside. Black interior, carbon fiber. Has the standard diamond stitch sport seats. And I'll leave the shades up because I don't want this to smell like a crayon when it's old. Rear seat's looking good. There's a view of that beautiful swoopy dashboard design, which I love. We'll go back out a bit. There we go. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Well, let's fire it up and listen to it run. I don't have much else for updates. Listen to that burble. I love V8s. I forgot to do the exhaust tips. I told you I wasn't a professional. I wasn't kidding. Alright guys, so there's the S6. I'm really excited to use it all summer long. And I'll get my other summer car out, which is much slower than this one, very shortly. It's a 57 Beetle. If you don't know me by now, you know I love that thing just as much as this. So thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed some boring updates and a look at the car when it's clean. And here's my usual crappy ending. See you guys later. Bye.